Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use patch tool in EPIK photo editor. So the patch tool in EPIK can be used to remove unwanted objects and replace it or patch it with other surface in your photo. So I'm going to just show you how you can use the patch tool. So here I've already opened a photo on my gallery to EPIK, and then you just need to go to tools and then here swipe until you find patch, click on that, and then here go to select, and then here you can adjust the selection size of the patch tool. So I'm going to just adjust it like this, and then here you can just brush the part of your photo that you want to be removed, and then after that you can choose which of the surface to replace the part that you remove like that. And then when you're done, just click on check icon, and now the unwanted objects will be gone and replaced by the one who you choose before. And I'm going to show you the other one. Here I'm going to delete this tissue right here. Okay, and after that you can use the patch, click on the check icon, and now it has been replaced like that. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.